What's up guys, I'm Drew Lahoff, and today on Maker's Best Friend I'm going to be showing you how I made these wall power tool organizers. I ended up making 3 of them, 2 of them over here, 1 of them in the back for all of my different power tools. This was a really quick and easy project that I really enjoyed, and I think you guys are going to like it too. Check it out. So I have a lot of tools, as you can see here. Different companies, starter kit here, some sponsored from previous times, and then a bunch of random ones in the middle here. And I'm planning to make a tool organization for the wall that's going to be able to hold all of them. On the top, we'll have some battery storage as well as some things that, like a circular saw that are bigger, that won't go into one of the slots for the drills. That'll be on the bottom, and then there will be a middle shelf for like bits, nails, anything like that, some screws. And I'm going to be making 3 of them myself. You can follow this and make as many as you'd like. I thought it'd be cool to separate one with the Ryobi company, one with the DeWalt, and then one with just, variety of random ones. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. The way I'm going to do it, I'm going to hang the tools upside down like this. It won't have the battery as part of it. And that'll work well with this brad nailer as well. I'll be able to hang it by the bottom like this instead of taking up all the room that this bulky head needs. So, I measured that out. I'm going to get to cutting some pieces here. I'll mention them as I go, but everybody's going to be different based off what you're making here. So, we're going to start with the bigger pieces, the back piece being 21 inches by 12 inches, and then the side pieces being 21 inches by 8 and about 1/2 inches. Alright, so we're going to get cutting with that with the table saw now, and we're going to put it all together. Here we go. Alright, so right now I'm piling up some scrap wood I had here. So we've got 12 inches in one direction, then I'm going to do 21 inches in the other direction. I'm going to cut them all 3 at the same time, make it easier. Then we'll see what we have left over to do the sides that will also have a 12-inch portion to it. Alright, here we go.
So now I've used a table saw and chop saw to cut down my back pieces, side pieces, and shelves. I've also added a slight angle to the side piece tops for some nice features. Now, for all of these joints, I'm going to be using a combination of wood glue and brad nails. This made these units plenty strong for the tools it was going to be holding. I made sure that for the 2 shelves I installed on each unit that I measured out the same distance at the front and back of each shelf to make sure everything was level. And now that one was done, boom, it was time to knock out 2 more. Next was to add the actual tool holders. First, I measured out the height and depth for the vertical pieces that would hold the horizontal pieces the tools sit on. I used a table saw to cut these and then did the same to cut out the horizontal pieces for each slot. To attach each of the horizontal pieces, I ended up using shorter brad nails for the first side piece, and then I used longer brad nails when adding the other side to ensure that there was plenty of reinforcement. Then, to attach the slots to the shelves, I measured out enough room for each slot to be able to hold the handle of each of the different tools, and I attached them with wood glue and brad nails from the back side and also angled in from the top shelf. It actually might be better if you first attach these slots to the shelf and then attach the entire slots and shelves to the entire unit. This will allow for you to connect more brad nails, but it was still plenty strong without it. After they were all assembled, I decided to spray paint everything black to hide all of the defects from the scraps and different types of wood I decided to use on this project. If you guys have stuck around to this point, make sure you help us out and hit that subscribe button down below. I attached the battery chargers and power strip to the sides of each unit and then cut some more scrap pieces at a 45-degree angle. This allowed me to connect the units to the wall using French cleats. After hanging these up on the wall and adding in the tools, this one was all done. This was a really cheap and easy way to help organize all the tools in my shop, and it is definitely one of my favorite new organization projects of the year. I hope you all enjoyed this one, and now let's get started on the next project. I'll see you over there.